Hi, this is Gautam and welcome to Authentic Marriage Diaries.
Hi, this is Nikita. Alright, so the very first question, it's a very interesting question and I would like to tell you the truth. So we actually met and liked each other back in 2008. हम एक साथ स्कूल में पढ़ते थे and he was a year older to me in school.
I like that. I don't know about her. So,
I did too.
yeah. And good thing is, we did talk at that time, but we didn't talk much. I was very, very shy.
Then we didn't talk for a very long time.
Yeah.
We didn't even cross paths, but
We did.
did we?
Yes. So one day I was going to the market,
Okay, this is embarrassing.
and she was going to her college. It was your first year, second year of college?
First year.
First year
I
of
guess.
college. So I saw her and her brother on the road. और मैंने देखा कि ये लोग रुके हुए हैं, काय के लिए रुके हुए हैं. So then I stopped and I asked, इसके भाई से पूछा मैंने कि भाई क्या हो गया? तो उसने बोला गाड़ी में पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. अब you know when your crush comes right in front of you and मेरे पास कोई शब्द ही नहीं थे. Nothing was coming out, nothing. So I thought of impressing her again. Okay, we didn't talk. You guys need to understand that we didn't talk at all. And even at that time, so I in order to become a hero बनने के लिए मैंने पेट्रोल अपनी गाड़ी में से निकाला. जान दे के गाड़ी से पेट्रोल निकाला.
जान दे के तो नहीं निकाला.
And then then मैंने पेट्रोल दिया ताकि कॉलेज जा सके. और इतनी मेहनत करी मैंने, but I didn't even get a thank you from her.
Drama. Yes, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So we actually got to meet again officially and all that. I think it was in 2016 when I joined the same school where he was teaching.
Yeah.
And I knew he was a teacher there and I didn't want to be a teacher, but I don't know how things ended up, and that is completely God's plan. I had nothing to do with it. I had never dreamt of becoming a teacher, and so I came to the same school as his.
Yeah.
मैं सेम स्कूल में आई पढ़ाने, बट अगेन दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी कि हम स्कूल में भी आई थिंक व्हेन आई जॉइंड आफ्टर लाइक टिल 1 year हमने बात ही नहीं की.
We didn't talk at all. In the school, we are teaching the same classes. We are
Yeah.
going inside the same classes. We didn't talk, and I really didn't want to talk.
बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी ऑकवर्ड फॉर मी एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज फॉर यू एज वेल, है ना,
It was.
कि इतने साल नो टॉक एट ऑल एंड नो कॉन्टैक्ट, नो कॉन्वर्सेशन, नो फेसबुक, नो व्हाट्सएप, नथिंग एट ऑल, और अचानक से आकर के यू टॉक टू ईच अदर. I mean in the meantime I wasn't comfortable talking to him, but I was observing him because here is the man whom I knew in childhood और मैंने देखा है, and he was a small guy at that time, and I knew him as a different person, and now when I look at him, he's so different. He's grown up into this amazing young man who is such a great teacher and who loves children, and he just has a pure, gentle and open heart. So these were the things that I was observing, and it wasn't like I was observing that okay, I want to marry this guy now because he's like that. But no, I could just see that change, the transition from a very young guy into this nice, amazing man. So I was observing it, and I admired him because he was really good with the kids. He was very good with the kids.
I started noticing you, and like you said कि भाई बहुत बड़ा चेंज था. I saw you and I had a totally different perspective because we didn't talk, so I had a very negative perspective about you. वेरी वेरी नेगेटिव टू बी ऑनेस्ट, कि बहुत बेकार लड़की है यार, बहुत ही बेकार लड़की है, ऐसी है ये लड़की और ऐसे
बनती है,
करती है, बनती है, ऐसे करती है. सो आई हैड वेरी नेगेटिव, which is my fault, not your fault, which was my fault because it was my perspective. Anyhow, when we started talking and being normal in front of each other, I started to know her heart. And yeah, outer beauty is something else, but you know, when I started to know her heart and I started to know her more closely, I got to see the real Nikita, I would say. I was able to see the real person, which was, I feel like then God was pointing out, that's the right person, that's the right person. So I really felt that. So yeah.
Was a difficult choice. I mean, as soon as you start growing older, you realize love is not just okay, you like someone and let's get married,
Yeah.
done.
Yeah.
It's not happy-go-lucky kind of thing.
Mm.
No, so getting prepared, I mean, it's not going to be easy or
Yeah.
stuff like that.
If that's the case, you need to talk to your parents. You have to talk to your parents and tell them this is what I feel. And that is in June 2018. I told her to talk to, बात करो पेरेंट्स से ही, बताओ कि this is Prince
Charming.
Prince Charming. So yeah. So what happened? Did you talk to your parents?
No.
No.
No, I didn't talk.
She didn't talk to her parents. एक महीना गुजर गया, 1 month passed away, she didn't talk. I said,
So I mean, like इतना बड़ा statement है, if I straight away go and tell my parents, क्या reaction होगा? What do you expect ना? तो I was waiting for a very good time और तब से कुछ ना कुछ घर पे होता ही जा रहा है. Something or the other thing, कुछ stressful, कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है stress, and I couldn't talk about it. I was waiting for that right moment that okay, जब सबका mood अच्छा होगा, then I want to tell it. So
in December, that was the time when I really thought, if she's not talking, then I should do something about it. And that's when I realized, one day I thought I fixed a date in my head. Okay, on this day, I'm gonna go to her parents and tell them that what I was. Okay, so it was 21st of December. 22nd of December, when I 2018, when I thought, okay, today I'll be going. In the morning I decided, okay, today I'll be going. So
guts चाहिए होता है भाई, बंदे ना बहुत guts है, कुछ भी को अकेले आ गए पापा से बात करने. Usually movies में, I mean, that's what I've seen, family
Yeah.
आती है and that's courteous, ऐसे दिखता है.
yeah. So what happened was कि काम करने के बाद मैं आया 2 बजे और फिर मैं सो गया और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था बहुत बड़ा काम है यार, और बहुत आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग बट आई वाज फीलिंग टायर्ड बिकॉज वो दिमाग पे चलता रहता है, कीप्स गोइंग इन योर हेड, क्या बोलूँगा, फिर अगर उधर से ये रिप्लाई तो क्या करूँगा, क्या नहीं करूँगा. सो दिमाग में चलता रहा, क्या बोलूँ और मैं सो गया. द बेस्ट वे टू गेट अवे विथ थिंग्स इज स्लीप.
That's true.
So I slept, and after I slept, at 5 I got up and I took my phone and I kept staring at my phone, and at there was a number, Lavin uncle, her dad's name, ठीक है, and I kept staring at it for half an hour. You won't believe it, मैंने आधे घंटे तक वही चीज़ करा. क्या करा, मैं फ़ोन ही देखता रहा अब दबा के कॉल करूँ पर हिम्मत नहीं हुई. सो आधे घंटे बाद मैंने दबाया एंड आई कॉल्ड की, एंड देन इन द लिविंग रूम आई वाज सिटिंग एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हर डैड. और उस समय टीवी चल रही थी और टीवी में एक मूवी चल रही थी. टीवी में क्या मूवी चल रही थी कि लड़के वाले लड़कियां क्या यहाँ आ के और
लड़कियां नहीं,
लड़की के यहाँ आ के हाथ मांगने के. अब हुआ ऐसे कि आवाज़ ना निकले तो फिर पूछ रहे थे, पापा पूछ रहे, गौतम तू बात करने आया था किसी चीज़ के लिए? तो मैंने कहा हाँ, और आपका स्कूल कैसे चल रहा है? और फिर मैं चुप, वो हाँ स्कूल ठीक है, वही है ठीक है. अच्छा तो आपका काम कैसा चल रहा है? और मैं दूसरे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ और इतना टाइम हो गया मैं मेन क्वेश्चन पे आ ही नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ ना कुछ और टॉपिक लेके आ जा रहा हूँ. तो मैंने बोल दिया कि अंकल कि आई रियली लाइक योर डॉटर, मुझे आपकी लड़की पसंद है और मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या फ्यूचर है क्या नहीं है.
He said, yeah, I really appreciate कि तुमने सच बोला. कि आई अप्रिशिएट इट
Yeah.
कि तुमने बताया. आई रियली लाइक इट कि तुमने आकर के बात की इस बारे में एंड यू आर नॉट हाइडिंग द ट्रुथ बिकॉज यूर टीनेजर्स व्हेन यू हाइड थिंग्स, right?
Yeah.
You don't want to tell your parents, you don't want them to know anything that's going on extra, and that's a different age. But now you're trying to get married and you want to make things right and you want to keep it like okay, safe for everything, like
Yeah.
for parents, family, and yeah. तो पापा ने क्या कहा था फिर?
कि 6 महीने रुको and pray about it, and yeah, we'll be praying about it too. I said okay. When I came to her dad, there were lots of things going in my head because according to the world's perspective, as she said, I had zero thing. I didn't have a house on my own, है ना. मेरे पास अपनी गाड़ी नहीं है, घर नहीं है ना, सरकारी नौकरी नहीं है जो आजकल के सभी लड़कियों के माँ बाप को चाहिए. भाई लड़का सरकारी नौकरी करने वाला चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट जॉब होनी चाहिए. आई डेंट हैव एनी थिंग ऑफ दैट, ठीक है. एंड सो इट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल, आई वुड से. We don't move forward because we see the worldly things. But I saw that I had only one thing, and that was God. And I knew when I went to her dad, before going to her dad, I knew one thing, that I just need one thing in my life, and that is God. I don't need anything else. And I know that I was filled with God, and I am filled with God, and I want to be more filled with God every day. And that was my agenda.
But I had this one thing in my mind that I had already told him, that I don't want to look for a person who's already settled, जिसके पास घर हो, गाड़ी हो और secure job हो. I don't want to look for such kind of a person, and I should be a part of that journey. कि बाद में obviously अपना घर होगा. But if you already have it, then I'm just going to be with you in the very good times,
Yeah.
right? क्योंकि
Yeah.
शादी हो जाएगी and you
Yeah.
already have everything lined up. I mean, I'm just good being there for the good
Yeah.
times, the best times.
Yeah.
But where was I when you were in that process, in that tough process of refinement or
But then also, they weren't sure that he's the only guy. You know, it's hard for parents, I would say. It would be hard for my daughter. If I have a daughter, it would be hard for me to decide, okay, this is the guy, and in one go I can just send my daughter with him. No, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
Even I won't send.
Definitely.
Yeah. So it was hard for them, but at the same time, we had a good conversation. We prayed for each other at the end. I prayed for them and they prayed for me, and yeah, but it wasn't decided that I'm gonna get married to her. So nothing was decided, nothing was finalized. It was suddenly decided, okay, Gautam is the guy who निकिता की शादी होनी है और 25 सितंबर को क्या करना है, एंगेजमेंट करनी है.
अभी तक कुछ डिसाइडेड नहीं है और हम लोग प्रेयर कर रहे हैं और हम लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं, होएगा भी या नहीं होगा.
So I told her, be ready for no also. Okay,
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बात की शादी करेंगे अगर कुछ भी है, बट बी रेडी अगर आपके पेरेंट्स से आंसर नो भी आता है. कि इंटरेस्टिंग, सबको पता लग गया कि गौतम और निकिता की एंगेजमेंट होने वाली है. बस एक जन को पता नहीं लगा दुनिया में कि भाई गौतम और निकिता की एंगेजमेंट होने वाली है, और वो कौन था? मैं. भाई जिसकी एंगेजमेंट हो रही है उसी को ही नहीं पता, बाकी सबको.
आफ्टर आवर एंगेजमेंट, आवर एंगेजमेंट वाज सितंबर 2019.
Yeah.
अब हमारी शादी का डेट डिसाइड होता है एंगेजमेंट में ही या उससे पहले डिसाइड कर लिया था दैट शादी इज गोइंग टू बी अप्रैल में. ठीक है, सो 6 more months.
6 more months you have to wait, यार.
6 more months after all this waiting, 6 more
वो
months.
ललचाने वाली बात होती है, कोई सेब देता है तो दूर से ले ले और खुद खा लेते हैं वाला.
Yeah.
अब ये सोचो कि 6 महीने वेट किया हम लोगों ने शादी करने के लिए, और उसके बाद
सारे
अप्रैल 14 है, and you are not the one who's getting married because Corona is already married to you. Corona is coming to get married to everyone.
Yeah. So
and
true.
live with them in the houses. ले में हम एक YouTube में हमें जानने वाला कोई है, मतलब खास क्लोज नहीं है, and he was getting married, so it was his second marriage, right? है ना?
Yeah.
So it was his second marriage, and we saw, we took the phone and told
पापा के पास आकर के both of us, ठीक है?
यहाँ दो लोग दूसरी शादी कर रहे हैं, हमारी एक
भी नहीं हो रही है.
हाथ जोड़ के प्लीज. हम लोग क्या है, हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है, एक शादी करा दो.
तो वो भी इट वाज अगेन गॉड्स प्लान,
Yeah.
गॉड्स परफेक्ट टाइमिंग, वो भी हो गया 25th मई को। अचानक से विद इन 1 वीक इट वाज डिसाइडेड दैट ओके ऐसे होने वाला है, और प्लानिंग, क्योंकि उस वक्त शादी के लिए परमिशन मिलना बहुत
चाहे
मुश्किल।
आप कोई नौकरी करने जा रहे हो, चाहे आपको किसी से शादी करनी है, कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल होता है ना, डोंट बी सैड आई वुड से, बिकॉज इम्पॉसिबल जब हमारे लिए होता है देन वी पुट इट डाउन एंड से हमारे से नहीं हो रहा, एंड देन गॉड पिक्स इट अप एंड सेज आई एम गोना डू दिस, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल फॉर यू राइट, आई एम गोना डू इट, सो ही टेक्स, when you leave it, he's gonna take. So I would say give every burden to God, because he is interested in taking it and making a miracle out of it and make it fly, and it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
I would like to thank one person, and he has been a very important person in my life since I have known him, और वो है मेरे पापा और निकिता के पापा. I think when the world rejected me and world was saying no, it cannot happen, it's not possible, I think he stood out, or everyone was on the one side and he was on one side and telling me it's possible, and it was like it's because of him that because of his perspective, because I feel like he saw a lot of himself in me, and I am not gonna let him down. I think what is most important चीज़ क्या होती है एक पेरेंट के पास? I don't think so it's a house, it's a car. I feel like it's a daughter. बहुत एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ होती है यार. अगर आपके पास है you'll be able to understand how expensive is daughter, and you cannot give. It's आप उसकी वैल्यू ही नहीं काउंट कर सकते. It's very hard to give a daughter. I think सबके माँ बाप सोचते हैं कि भाई अच्छी नौकरी वाला था कि सेटल हो जाए, ऐसे हो जाए, वैसा लड़का ढूंढते हैं, बट आई फील लाइक ही डिडंट थिंक समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड ही ट्रस्टेड मी, एंड या he gave me the important part. I feel like I haven't seen that bonding of father and daughter which I saw in Nikita and dad, but after looking at that and I thought कैसे possible हो गया, दे कैसे दिया, मुझे आज ये believe नहीं होता कि दे कैसे दिया निकिता को मुझे, which was a very hard thing for him, I feel like.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all stayed till the end. तो ये हमारी journey थी of both of us getting together.
Yeah.
But most of all, this is God's story. This is not our love story. It's God's story. It's how He brought both of us together. हमारी अपनी मर्जी, हमारे अपने प्लान्स के हिसाब से कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. Never, never ever.
Yeah. So it's not, you know, when we see behind, it's not because, you know, I'm smart, that's why I got a beauty girl. Nothing like that, okay? Everyone is smart, and it's just God who works. And it's good that I can't, you know, open up my shirt or chhati dikha ke it's because I am this, that's why I got married. No man, I'm nothing. I'm a zero. I'm just ground level, and it's God who worked. So all glory to God. Thank you guys for watching this. Have a great day.